Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri R.M. Jain Group of Schools welcomes you to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Let us move to the session. Before moving into the topic, here I would like to share few questions with us. What are very useful to us? What add beauty to our surroundings? What cleans up dirty air? What gives us oxygen? What provide us with food products? What gives us things like wood, paper, gums, medicines, etc. Here it is very interesting. The answer for all the question is plants. And that is going to be our lesson today, World of Plants. In this lesson, we are going to see about the different parts of plants, about the entire system in plants. First, let us see about some uses of plants. Plants add beauty to our surroundings. Plants clean up the dirty air. Plants are homes to many birds and animals. Plants provide us with important food products. Now, we are going to see about the different parts of plant. Plant body is divided into two main types. One is root system and the other is shoot system. The part which is present below the ground, that is below the soil, is root system, and the part which is present above the ground or the part which grows above the ground or above the soil is called shoot system. Now let us see the parts of plants. So in plant we have root, we have stem, we have fruit, we have leaf, flower, and inside the fruit seeds are present. Here below the soil the root grows and that is called as root system. And above the ground we have stem, fruit, leaf, branches, flowers, and they are called as shoot system. And now we are going to see about the different types of root system. Root system is broadly classified into two main types. One is taproot system and the other is fibrous root system. This picture represents the structure of taproot system and fibrous root system. Here in taproot you will be able to see one main root and all the subroots arise from the main root, and in fibrous root all the roots arise from the end of the stem. I repeat, in taproot one main root arises from the end of the stem and all the other roots, that is subroots, arise from the main root, but in fibrous root all the roots arise from the end of the stem. So this picture clearly explains you the structure of taproot. Here there is a one main root which is very strong and which goes downward deeply, and all the subroots grow from the main roots, and that is the structure of fibrous root. And in fibrous root you could see some bushy appearance. Some examples for taproot are neem tree, mango tree, etc. And some examples for these fibrous root are small plants like mint, rice, maize, etc. And now we are going to see about the functions of root. Root fix the plant firmly to the soil, and root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Root binds the soil firmly to roots binds the soil and thus prevents the soil erosion. And now we are going to see about shoot system. Shoot system includes stem, branches, leaves, buds. Buds grow into flowers, and then fruits. These are the parts of shoot system. Now we are going to see about the different types of stem. Different plants have different types of stem, and these are categorized into 5 types. They are herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Now let us see one by one. First let us see about herbs. Herbs are small sized plants and they have very weak stem, and the color of the stem is green in color. Some examples are tulsi and mint. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are medium sized plants. Bushes comes under the category of shrubs, and some other examples for these shrubs are rose plant, hibiscus, etc. And this stem of these shrubs are brown in color and they are strong. And now let us see about trees. Trees have a strong woody stem and they are called as trunk. The roots of the trees are very strong and the stem also very strong. Some examples are neem tree and mango tree. Now let us see about climbers. Climbers are the plant that needs support to grow because they have very weak stem. Climbers are the plants or they need support to grow and they have very weak stem. Examples are jasmine, money plants, etc. And next we are going to see about creepers. Creepers are also the plants with weak stem and they do not grow with support but they grow along the ground. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Now let us see about the different types of leaves. Leaves are of different shapes, different sizes and different colors. So here we could see different colors of leaf. Now let us see about the parts of leaf. Here there is a part called petiole which connects the leaf with stem. So the part which connects the stem with leaf is called petiole, and there is a line on the middle of the leaf, they are called as midrib, and the flat portion of the leaf is called leaf blade, and small veins which runs from the midrib are called as side veins. And you can see small pores on the underside of the leaf, they are called as stomata, which cannot be seen through our naked eyes, which can be seen only under microscope. Now let us see about the function of leaf. Leaves prepare food for plants. Leaves prepare food for plants in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide from air and water, and the process of preparing food is called as photosynthesis. Leaves prepare food for the entire plant, and that is why leaves are called as food factory or kitchen of the plant. And the process of preparing food is called as photosynthesis. This is the structure of stomata. Stomata involves in the exchange of gases, that is, it intakes carbon dioxide and it gives out oxygen. Some leaves such as lettuce, mint, spinach, coriander, fenugreek are edible leaves. And now let us see about flowers. Flowers are the very beautiful parts of the plant. Plants are categorized into 2 types. They are flowering plants and non-flowering plants. The plant that bear flowers are called as flowering plant. For example, rose plant, jasmine, tulip, sunflower are flowering plants, and the plant that do not bear flowers are called as non-flowering plants. Examples are mosses, mushrooms and algae. Flowers develop into fruits. Here, from strawberry flower, fruit is developed. And this is the flower of guava tree which develops into fruit. An apple develops from the flower of apple tree. Mango develops from mango flower. And some flowers are edible such as broccolis, cauliflowers, etc. And now we are going to see about the uses of flowers. Flowers are gifted on special occasions like marriages, anniversaries and birthdays. Flowers are offered in temple to the deity. Flowers are used to prepare incense sticks, perfumes, sprays, oils, etc. Flowers or women use flower in their hair to add beauty to it. So these are some of the uses of flowers. And now we are going to see about fruit. Fruits are the fleshy and juicy part of the plant. Fruits are the fleshy and juicy part of the plant. We eat fruits of many plants like apple, guava, mango, etc. Fruits develop into seeds. Inside the fruit we find seeds. Vegetables like tomatoes, brinjal are actually vegetable, but inside them seeds are present, and that's why they are called as fruits. And now let us see about seeds. Inside the fruit seeds are present. Most of the fruit contains seeds in it. Some fruits like mango have only one seed, while other fruits like papaya has many seeds inside it. Seeds, when the seeds get right amount of air, water and warmth, it grows into new plant, and this process is called as germination. Some seeds are edible such as rice, wheat, maize, etc. This is about the uses of fruits and seeds. And children, now I would like to recapitulate about the world of plants. Plant body is divided into two main types, that is root system and shoot system. Root system, the part that grows below the ground, that is called as root system, and the part that grows above the ground is called as shoot system. And roots, we have two types. They are taproot and they are fibrous root. Taproot have one main root with subroots, and fibrous root all the root that grow from the end of the stem. And we also have seen about different types of flowers, fruits, seeds, etc. And thank you children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you very much.